She said, take your time, what's the rush? Good morning, guys.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. I haven't ended out last night's video, well, yesterday's video. I haven't ended it, but I'm soon put an outro for it. This morning it is actually 7 a.m. I'm out here enjoying the view. As you can see, we're in Colombia, guys. This is our first official day in Colombia because we got here last night at 11 and we reached here at probably after 12 in the morning. So for today we're supposed to either do breakfast or brunch and then paragliding, but I'll take you guys along with me and update you guys on what exactly I'll be doing. Still in my PJs because I'm just come out here. I feel like out here is my favorite part, you know. I actually like the view of the room. I literally never close the blinds, none at all, because I'm a sucker for views. And I am actually loving how the view is looking here in Colombia. So yeah, that's really that until I figure out what I'm going to wear, because I don't know where to have brunch. But my day here I might try for wonder what I feel like more weird, because yes, I came with stuff, I just don't know which one for where to go. So I'm gonna figure that out and then take out my stuff, because we're supposed to start doing all of that 7:30 and as I say at 7 o'clock noon. So stay tuned for day 2 of the vlog.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already, so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
So hey guys, we're currently waiting on our Uber. So guys, we're currently waiting on our Uber to come and pick us up. We're going to have something to eat. I get something to eat. It is breakfast time, but at the rate of how we always affiliate because of him, we probably are going to reach brunch instead of breakfast. But we'll move. We're outside of our Airbnb. And the place is nice, guys, and cool. Not us in Colombia looking for the Uber. Now the Uber supposed to look for we.
Down for you, said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog.
So guys, we found a little spot that's called Brunch and Brunch. What may I pronounce it properly? We're waiting for our order. Yeah. This is me on a little stool because the place is full up. We are waiting for them good as they don't do what they do. Get snapping people.
Never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. No. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite, can she hit me up? Ha 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 ha, when I double park the laugh. That right ta ta ta, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Wipe that silly green, bitch, I'm really hitting. You better put them palms together, bitch, I really sing.
Hey guys, so we are in a supermarket in Colombia at San Javier. And I look for toothbrush because I want to use the one I have now for my edges. So I'm looking for that now. Another thing guys, we're actually out here because we have Communa tour to do. And we are waiting on them. Them say meet up at 4:20 or after 4 now. So I look and see if I see the personal hygiene stuff in here. Pure Spanish, my love. Guys, I found this. It is for 4,390 Colombian pesos. So I guess this can buy. I don't really know the money like that, you know, but just give them it. So guys, we are literally, call it out the downtown Kingston. But we're there San Javier in Colombia. It's a pretty much downtown Kingston, like this year. But we're there, we are weird, same way. From buy some on the menu, don't even know what it is. But it's anything for the Colombian experience.
We're living like the locals today.
Right, because I don't know one thing from the menu. But we're there and we are waiting. I'm going to show you when it comes. Hopefully an actual chicken and nothing out of the usual. No problem there. You take a forever dumpling to throw.
Yeah, without the boiling.
No, that one making. Them have sauce.
Fine, every night though. Honey?
Tastes like an onion.
This is not for me.
No, regular ketchup.
The chicken is just bad then.
You know, I'm on seasoning, but you know, taste bad. It tastes like rotisserie. Because I roast it.
Potato.
Them like salt. I say people, I feel for slushy, I feel for some icy because the time kind of hot about it there. And the man I forgot to get but I do all this tastes like medicine, so I hated it so bad. I never drink it, but it end up you a homeless man or something. Mental so I get content.
The event of here were procrastinating. And this here, it's is the most important because it is a symbol. Lemon. And the neighborhood here in Medellin looks like this. House of cards. So it looks like this because of the history in Colombia. Suddenly, between the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, the poorest farmers in Colombia were displaced by the Indians. It is named the American America. Well, America is so important here because we in America paintings, and that is a nice spot for a music video. Nice spot for a childhood because there are kids play.
Clear water, like him shot. If the rain a fall, the rain a fall.
The beginning.
Come.
Middle, that is the roof. On the roof, there are panels. The solar panels bring in 55% of the energy. So the next one, neon color, psychedelics. The next one, by Yes Graph, it is the Pachamama. Around the Pachamama, there are 3 herbivores, and those are.
So guys, we're now leaving of the top, and I don't know where them are bringing us. I don't want to get copyright as well. Fam, make my own people $2,000 at Colombia because in them for stand up and see the beach.
Indians means the inhabitant of the mountain, and they have been drinking this chicha, guarapo. You know chicha? Chicha. No, I wish. But it's alcohol.
Guys, we're outside. We're trying to get something to eat. One thing about Medellin, Colombia, it has been giving me, you know, it has tell me some need to lose weight. We made it to McDonald's and in here full. The drive-thru full, in here full. But let's show you in here still. So guys, we're back. We eat at McDonald's like we were starving for days. I know I'm tired, I want to lay down, but I have to pack because we have a flight to catch tomorrow to Cartagena, and then we'll go straight on into day 3 of the vlog. You know what other than is this? As me I say, the phone dropped day 3 of the vlog. It is raining like crazy here. You could see some of the McDonald's in the rain. The place cool. Like every one of the TikTok videos I'm watch are the little word I'm when I hear say Medellin did hot. And I say, Lord God, forget if Jamaica now and Ghana hot place now. We don't at a Jamaica. The place cool. Right now my fingertip want the under sheet. That's how cool the place be. But I go pack up back them here and then get ready for early flight tomorrow. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I'll try to catch up the people them and it now catch up. I'm gonna catch you now, yes. I'm going.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is
Creole. English. Them here to see me coming in a Colombia. I'm gonna stop talk Jamaican to the people them. All when I know the little Spanish them I'm not using them. Hi guys, good morning. It is currently 5:57 a.m. and I am getting ready to go to the airport. I'm tired. Me tired. Probably sleep on the plane. Go over. But that's what I'm doing now. But it already pre-packed from last night, so I really just what I had on last night and what I'm going to put on now is basically out. I'm gonna have like wet clothes around that side. I need to put in at the wet part of this bag. So I'm going to update you guys once I am leaving here. I'm not sure if this is going to be the end of day 2, sorry. I'm not sure if this is going to be the end of day 2's vlog and probably start day 3. But let's see. I'm gonna try to put the clips them together and see how long it be.
I see guys pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can be my love if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said take your time, what's the
So guys, this is our last day at this Airbnb. I'm definitely going to miss the view. And as I said, Medellin has been cool for the past 2 nights. So I'm definitely going to miss this view. And the fact that I can stay in bed and see Price Smart and the people in where are going there. So yeah, I'm going to miss it. I'm going to just do a quick walk through before I get out of here. But yeah, this is the fit for the airport. Probably put on my other sweater as well. Feel like make it cool. So yeah.
Never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite and she hit me up. Ha 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 ha, when I double park the light.
So guys, we're at the airport and we're currently looking for our gates. Me and fam. So you have Dunkins and them place the in here. I've never tried it before.
That right top, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Like that's in the green, bitch, I'm really hitting. You better put them palms together, bitch, I really sing. No, me and crack don't share daddies, but we really twins. If she ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting in. See the bed top bunker, the boys got thumpers. I'm a
Tripulación a sus puertas.
Somebody has shit as well as to smell like big time. Oh my god. But we're on our flight. Right, can put we're on our back. We are on our back. But guys, we are on our next flight to go to Cartagena, Colombia, where we're going to spend most of our days before we come back to Medellin and then finish off and come back. So guys, I'm going to wrap up day 2 right here and then start day 3 when I am in Cartagena. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Oh my god, feeling the shit.